Hello guys, my name is Dr. Varun and here I am back with a really important video, and the video is all about that what are the most important topics from each chapter which you have to do it, and if you do it no one can stop you getting 360 out of 360, and from this only paper will come these topics, and I guarantee you if you did these topics well in a good way you will get more than 250 scores in bio, which is a very good score for you. Of course we are working on 360, but this thing, if you pay more attention to these topics you will be able to get the highest score possible, and even it can go more than that. And let's just come back after the paper that how many topics questions actually came from this video on 4th as well. Let's just start with, I have made this thing, I will share these topics in my group which is on WhatsApp, that is WhatsApp channel, that is Biology Simplified English. Till then I am telling you over here, you can write it from here also. So first unit, each page is the unit, each unit has both 11th and 12th has been accompanied into it. In the living world, the four most important thing, the table 1.1 they will ask you, okay, in that housefly is the higher chances of coming, okay. Then the binomial nomenclature, their rules and all they can ask you. Then what is living, which is not given in new NCERT, this is from the old NCERT, you have to study, they can ask you question from it. Moving on to the next one, biological classification, kingdom fungi, most important, which we have even covered in our lectures also. Go back and check it out, the second lecture, day 2 of 30 days 30 most important topic. Then RH Whittaker classification, the table they will ask you, okay, tables are very important, from tables only they will ask most of the questions. Virus, viroid, proins and lichens, that is the third most important topic in it. Then the plant kingdom, in plant kingdom, kingdom LE, or sorry, division LE, one question definitely gonna come, 100% question will come from the LE, okay, sure 4 marks, okay. Then classes of pteridophytes, 4 classes of pteridophytes are given to you, example match the following kind of question will come from here. Then the division of gymnosperms, statement based question, or the difference between cycospinous will be coming over there. Then in animal kingdom, this is the most important chapter, you are not gonna leave it, high weightage, 20 marks will come from it, so 5 questions expected to come in this. In that symmetry, 1 question every year coming, this year also higher chances. Phylum core data, examples and the difference, especially the chondrocytes and osteocytes would be there. And of course you have to study everything, we can't leave the high weightage chapter at all. You still have a time, give 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it will be done for sure. Next comes the second unit, which is starting from the morphology of flowering plant. In that, modification of root, stems and leaf, we have covered this in our video also, so go check out that video also in my channel. So this is very important, not given in NCERT, this is beyond NCERT, but the questions are coming. Then definitely there will be a question from estivation and placentation, any one topic or both the topic also can come. So examples of estivations and all, or the placentation you have to do, and of course all the examples you have to remember which are given in NCERT for this. Moving on, anatomy of flowering plant, they will ask you from the permanent tissue. We have done this topic in my topic because this is not given in your NCERT, so we have done it in my series of 30 days 30 most important topic, you can go for it. Then the monocot, dicot, leaf statements can come to you. Then the vascular bundles, these are the 3 most important topic of this chapter. Moving on to the next one, structural organization in animals. From here cockroach question will come, more specifically reproductive system is where the question can come, okay, statement can come. Of course you have to study everything, but the cockroach is the foremost important, one question will come. Next it will be the epithelial tissue, we have covered that in my series also because it's not given in new NCERT. And connective tissue also, which we have covered in our series also, you should have study about it. Then comes the third unit of your 11th class, which is the most important unit. From here almost 50 marks paper will come from this unit. So let's just see that cell, the unit of life, nucleus is most important. After that endomembrane system, then mesosome topic, which is prokaryotes topic, and the plasma membrane, which is most important of all. Okay, in the plasma membrane also, the active, passive, osmosis, diffusion kind of statements which are given to you, they can come from here. Okay, moving to biomolecules, higher weightage chapters. Lipids, question will definitely come. Enzymes, question will definitely come, especially the cofactor. Means if you're studying the enzyme, study from the back topic. There are 5 topics in the enzyme, you have to go from the back. So that cofactor topics, then the nomenclature topic, then the factors affecting the enzyme action topics. These are the most important categories. Then polysaccharides, secondary metabolites table, and function of proteins table, which you have to study. Moving on, the cell cycle and cell division. Prophase 1, definitely question coming. Interphase, where S phase, G1 phase, G0 phase, G2 phase, definitely question coming. At least one question from this prophase will definitely come. Okay, so higher weightage. Then coming up to the next unit, that is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, chemoosmotic hypothesis statement will come, you have to remember. Then table 1.1 concept. The table is all about the divisions between C3 and C4 plant, most important. Then C3 and C4 pathway also you have to remember. They can give you the cycle and they will miss out the point, and then they will ask you the question. Moving on to the respiration. From respiration, electron transport system, which gonna be today's lecture also. From the 30 days 30 important topics, we're going to be studying the electron transport system. I know that you guys are struggling with this, I will help you out. Then respiratory balance sheet concept, which comprises of whole chapter also. Okay, so that thing is there. And the respiratory quotient, where the question as a match the following can come to you. Then plant growth and development. 100% I am writing the question will come from the hormone. Last year 2 questions came. This year also chances are 1 or 2 questions from the hormones will come. In that also definitely there will be a question from the gliberic acid or gibberellins. Okay, so that you have to remember. Then developments. Development means heterophily thing, plasticity thing that has been taught. They can ask you question from it. And then there's a higher chances of differentiation, de-differentiation, redifferentiation topic, because that is talking about the secondary growth which has been removed from another anatomy chapter, but it is present over here. So examples you have to remember. So do that thing for sure. Okay, moving on to the last unit of the 11th class, breathing and exchange of gases, transport of gases, very important. Statements, concept, anything can come, and we have discussed this transport of gases in our series also, so you can check out that also. Then the regulation of respiration, which is a very important in all of the chapter of your human physiology. Regulation of organ which we are studying and the disorder related to it, super important question will definitely come. Then of course disorders we have studied. Then respiratory volume and capacity, match the following question most probably will be coming from it. And table 14.1, which is talking you about the what is the partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide at the different sites. Then comes the body fluid and circulation. Here blood grouping and RH grouping question can come to you. Cardiac cycle and ECG and its concept can come to you. Then regulation and disorders, I have told you that that's the most important one which you have to do it. Then the excretory product, in that regulation of kidney function, very important. Disorders and function of tubules, these 3. Then locomotion and movement, joints, super important, every year question coming, this year also higher chances of coming. Then disorders, of course you have to study, especially the myotonic dystrophy and the myasthenic graviasis, higher chances of coming. Then mechanism of action, especially the contraction of the sarcomere, which is the most important topic that can come, and the red fiber and the white fiber thing that is present on this topic can come to you. In the neural control and coordination, chinna topic, small topic. So we will do what? First of all, central neural system means there will be a question on brain parts, match the following kind of a thing can come. And the generation and conduction of impulse is also important. I think we should not leave this chapter at all. Then chemical control and coordination, it is the most important chapter out of all. Most questions will come, especially the mechanism of hormone action, and on that basis which hormone is which type can be asked to you. Match the following can also come. Then the hormones of kidney, GIT, especially the GIT. 4 hormones are present in the GIT. Okay, that you have to remember: gastrin, secretin, GIP and CCK. Okay, then adrenal glands are the most important of your 11th class. Then from your 12th class, the first most important thing is sexual reproduction in flowering plant, the ploidy of the structure. They can give you multiple structure and then ask them match the following in how many of this. So ploidy, you should know that which has triploid, which is tetraploid, or which is haploid, which is diploid, you should know. Then sporogenesis and gametogenesis process, and the most important is pollination and pollinating agent. From here question will definitely come, third topic. Okay, then the human reproduction, high weightage topic. Don't leave anything, study everything. Highest more is gametogenesis, menstrual cycle, and the implantation topic. Then the reproductive health, high weightage. Don't forget to do the STDs beyond NCRT also, and the methods of contraception, which is very important, especially the pills and all those things, examples which are given to you. Then comes the next unit. This unit is the highest weightage unit of your 12th class, where principle of inheritance, evolution, and molecular basis present. Principle of inheritance, test cross, disorders, and statement based questions will come. Students are doing wrong in this topic only, so read it again and first understand and then do the questions. Okay, then molecular basis of inheritance, genetic codon, which will be the most important topic. SCG, DNA fingerprinting, and lac operon is the most important. Of course, this chapter is very important. Other thing, you can't leave it. Scientist names are maximum in it, so you can't leave it at all. Scientist name can also come in this chapter. So this chapter and the last chapter, you have to do it in the great details. Then comes the evolution. In the evidence of evolution, brief account of evolution with the human evolution, and the Hardy-Wensburg principle. On that basis, a numerical coming question can also be there. Then comes the next unit, that is the human reproductive health disorders, especially the fungal disorders. They can give you match the following for it. Immunity topic, and the drugs topic to it. From drugs also, they can give you diagram, very less chances, but they can give you the diagram of morphine and the things which are given to you, so you have to do that. Then the microbes in the human welfare, examples of the enzymes, definitely it will come. The topic is the chemicals, bioactive molecules, and enzymes. From here question will come, match the following will definitely come, so that thing you have to do. Then comes the next unit, biotechnology. The biotechnology, 2 chapters, higher weightage, 10 questions, 40 marks will come from here. Okay, so in biotechnology, gel electrophoresis, of course, everything you have to do. Don't leave it. These are easiest chapter possible. Gel electrophoresis, endonuclease action and related concept questions, bioreactors, and making the cell competent. So this thing can come in the match the following and all those kind of things. Then application of biotechnology, molecular diagnosis question will definitely gonna come from here. Statement, 3 diagnoses are given, they give the statement and confuse the students. So that you have to do. An example of BT cotton genes can match the following can comes to you. And comes the last unit of your biology, that is the organism and population. Here examples of interaction, match the following kind of a question will be there. In this, mutualism and competition has a higher chances of coming the question for you. Then coming the ecosystem. In the ecosystem, ecological pyramids you have to remember, and the statements based questions from all the chapter can come from you. Biodiversity and conservation, last year 5 questions come from here. The chapter which do not have any weightage still before 2024 is coming 5 questions. So fact-based things questions can come to you this year also. So pie chart of this chapter, where how much is fungi, angiosperm, birds, vertebrates. Please do that. Don't forget to do it. Do it in a good way, because this chapter has a higher weightage. Last year also, maybe this year also, they will give you a good amount of questions from here. Well, that's all for this video. I hope that if you do this topic, you will get more than 250. And even if you do pay more attention to this topic, then you will be more confident about getting 360 out of 360. Please don't leave at least these topics. That is the main concern for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and do share it with your friends, or maybe not, as it what I always say is, because this is a competition and you have to be little bit selfish for yourself. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you.